Swanson Tool Company launched the original Speed Square nearly 100 years ago. This is the new Speed Trim Square. You're likely familiar with this Speed Square and its countless uses, which you can learn about from hundreds of videos on YouTube. But that's not what this video is about. Today, we're discussing the Trim Square, its features, and what it's designed for. This compact 4.5-inch square does nearly all the things the original does, and a few more. The size of this pocket-friendly tool makes it perfect for cabinet making, trim work, and molding. And yes, thanks to its compact size and aerodynamic design, its lethality as a throwing star is unparalleled. First, let's look at the similarities. You'll immediately notice the Scribe Notches, which are cast in 1/8-inch increments and great for your parallel lines. There's the patented diamond cutout at 3.5 inches for marking your bird's mouth. Your crucial pivot point around which everything rotates. The 3-inch measurements along the base of the triangle. And it's still made with high-grade aluminum alloy, anti-glare, and matte finish here in the USA. Speaking of the finish, the visibility on Swanson Speed Trim Square is amazing, whether you're in bright light or low light. Now let's talk about the new features and what's exciting about this Trim Square. Like I said at the beginning, the size of this tool is great for cabinetry, molding, and trim, and it's small enough to fit in your pocket. Plus, the base is specifically designed for mortise and tenon work. Check this out. The base is set up for 1/4 inch on one side and 3/8 inch on the other. Very helpful when centering your mortises and tenons. Also, when you're working with 3/4 inch stock, there's a drill guide placed 3/8 of an inch from the lip of the board to make sure you always hit center. Lastly, the angle markings have been simplified and show common trimming angles: 22.5, 30, 45, and 67.5 degrees. This tool has loads of uses, just like the original Swanson Speed Square. So, give it a try, and I'm sure you'll appreciate all of its bells and whistles. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, stay safe and take care.